Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I haven't done a video in a while and I'm trying to really get back into making videos again. So for today's video, we're going to be doing kind of like a copper-ish, there's only one shadow that's really coppery. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start by applying my Jafra All-in-One Mattifying Primer. I actually really like to use this product on its own rather than just applying foundation right on top of it. It's really nice. Like, I just use my fingers to apply it, and then I just kind of cover up the under eye area and any blemishes that I have. It's really, really nice. But sometimes I do go ahead and put a foundation over top of this. I'm going to let this soak into the skin. While that's being soaked in the skin, we're going to be doing the brows. Now first, I'm going to brush up the brows using my Morphe M158 brush. I'm just brushing them up first. And then I'm going to go in with my Jafra volumizing brow gel in clear. I like to take my finger and just kind of press up my brows a little bit. And then we're going to go into a brow pencil. This is the Jafra Micro Brow Pencil in, where is it? In Dark Blonde. I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas. Face. So I'm going to take the CoverGirl Plus LA Simply Ageless Foundation with the Anissa Beauty Pinnacle Foundation Brush. I love this foundation. This is one of my favorites. I'm just going to apply this all over the face. Another thing that I forgot to do with the primer is I'm going to prime my eyelids as well. I'm going to put the same primer on the back. Ooh, that was a little bit too much. On the back of my hand. And take my Shiny brush number 8. And just apply this to the lid. I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend that in, and then I'm also going to just lightly tap the beauty blender all over the face as well. Going to also use the same foundation, and we're going to apply that on the lids as well. I'm just going to take my finger and doing this. I'm going to first set the foundation on the eyes. I'm going to use the Benai Fair Translucent Powder. I'm just going to kind of put some on my mixing palette here. I'm going to take a Sonia Kashuk brush, and we're just going to set the lids with this. Now we can go into eyeshadow. I'm going to first start with using the Flower Beauty Petal Play Eyeshadow Quad. This is the Gilded Lily eyeshadow quad. And we're gonna take, wait, what is it? Fawn, which is this one here. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, like this one from e.l.f. Yeah, e.l.f. This is a crease brush. And we are going to apply this to the crease. My phone's ringing. Morphe palette, and we're going to take the color Pooter, which is this one here, to darken up the crease. I'm going to use the same brush to apply this. We're going to still stay in the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and there are a lot of copper shades in this palette, and I don't know which one to use. Like, I was thinking NYX, or Hustle, or SBN, or Hillster, 24/7, Firework. I think I'm gonna use Hustle. Yeah, I think Hustle. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna take my Echo Tools eyeshadow brush here. I'm gonna take my DIY finishing spray. I'm just going to spray this. I'm going to apply this to the lids. And I like to take a fluffy brush like this one. This is the Morphe M453 brush. I'm just going to blend where the two colors meet. Okay, for lashes today, I'm going to use the Kiss Look So Natural lashes. I'm first going to, where's the mascara? Curl the lashes. Lash Paradise mascara. I am going to apply the lashes really quick, and I'll be right back. Shade that's really close to my skin tone, so I'm going to use the JCat Masterclass Face Palette, and we're going to take this shade here and apply this to any blemishes that pop through the foundation. And that's all we're going to do with this shade. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. I'm going to take the Bdellium, what is it? Fiber brush. And we're going to apply this to the under eye area. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this one to blend the concealer. So I'm going to first start where we applied the concealer on any blemish and just buff that in. And then we're going to do the same thing to the under eye area. Okay, so I'm going to use the same powder that we used to set the eyes, and I'm going to use this to set the under eye area. Oops, just so that there's no creasing or anything. Set where we applied the concealer on the blemishes, just so the concealer doesn't budge. And just set everywhere else. face is set, I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender and just kind of press that into the skin again. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush. This is the Jafra powder blush in the color Rose Oro. I'm gonna take the shade brush number 29 and apply this to the apple of the cheek. Oh, I should have done bronzer first. Oops. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Murmur. I'm going to take a Morphe fluffy brush. I'm just going to bronze up the cheekbones a little bit. No, I used a different brush when I was, I did the clean girl look, and I want to see it, or was it this one? I don't remember. Never mind. Okay, yeah. Don't go off topic. I'm gonna apply it to the forehead as well. And jawline. Take my Morphe face palette, and we're going to use this highlight shade. I'm going to highlight the cheek area, forehead, down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take the Jafra Always Liquid Lip Stain. What is the name of this one? Always Tender. I'm first going to take a lip brush. This is from Shani. This is brush number 10. I'm just going to, actually, let's line the lips first with a lip liner. This is the NYX lip liner in the color Nude Pink. I'm going to use the same lip stain on top of this. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my DIY finishing spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!